Hello students, welcome you again for a new chapter, that is unit 2, chapter number 2, that is our tsunami. This is a chapter about a natural disaster that has occurred in the year 2004 in the month of December, 26 December. So in this chapter we will get the idea regarding the experience of the people who got survived from that incident or the disaster. Here different people from the southern portion, how they survived themselves and how they rescued from the situation, that we will know from this chapter. First of all, we will know what is a tsunami. Tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquakes under the sea. On 26 December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and parts of India such as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Tamil Nadu coast. Here are some stories of courage and survival. So, what is a tsunami? Tsunami is a large and powerful wave which is caused by the earthquake under the sea. Earthquake which is caused under the earth, that is also so terrible. But what about under the sea level? When it happened under the sea level, the water level got raised and it get inside the city. So how it happened and how it affected the people and their lives, we will know in this chapter through the people who experienced during this occurrence or got survived, or the people who have shown their courage in this situation. Now let's see over the chapter. Here also a question arises here. Did animals sense that a tsunami was coming? Some stories suggest that they did. Here also a great thing is also there, that whether the animals, they are having any sense regarding the situation or that happened, the tsunami. Now let's look at the book that will suggest the topic, that will know the experience and that fear that occurred during that disaster or the tsunami, and also will know that how the animals, they are having the sense before any such type of happenings are going to happen. Now look at your book, page number 25 for the scene 1. These stories are all from Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. Ignatius was the manager of a cooperative society in Kachal. His wife woke him up at 6 am because she felt an earthquake. Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. Then the family rushed out of the house. When the tremors stopped, they saw the sea rising. In the chaos and confusion, two of his children cut hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. He never saw them again. His wife was also swept away. Only the three other children who came with him were saved. So what happened one day? This experience is from Ignatius of Andaman and Nicobar. One day what happened? His wife woke him up at 6 am that because of she felt an earthquake. And after getting that feeling and after listening from her, what Ignatius did, he carefully took his television set off its table. Means he put down the television set from the table and keep it down on the floor so that it would not fall and break. Then the family rushed out of the house. When the tremor stopped, they saw that the sea was rising. The sea water level was rising. In the chaos and confusion, two of his children cut hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother. That means his two children, in fear of when they saw the water rising, in fear they cut hold the hands of their grandfather and the uncle and rushed in the opposite direction. He never saw them again, and after that, this was the last scene that he saw his children. His wife was also swept away. Only the three other children who came with him were saved. Now, look at the next page. Now, another experience from another person. Let's look at the page. Sanjeev was a policeman serving in the Kachal Island of the Nicobar group of islands. He somehow managed to save himself, his wife and his baby daughter from the waves. But then he heard cries for help from the wife of John, the guest house cook. Sanjeev jumped into the water to rescue her, but they were both swept away. Here the experience of Sanjeev, a policeman who was serving in the Kachal Island of Andaman Nicobar group of islands. What was his experience? That he somehow managed to save himself and his family from the waves. But when he heard the crying help or sound of the help from his guest house cook's wife, he jumped into the water to rescue her, but they both were swept away. Now another incident was 13-year-old Meghna was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. She spent 2 days floating in the sea, holding on to a wooden door. 11 times she saw relief helicopters overhead, but they did not see her. She was brought to the shore by a wave and was found walking on the seashore in a daze. That means it was the story of a 13-year-old girl, Meghna, who was swept up along with her parents and 77 other people. But she spent 2 days floating in the sea, holding onto a wooden door. And many times she saw the relief helicopters over her head, but they did not see her. She was brought to the shore by a wave and was found walking in the seashore in a daze. Another was Arnaz Javed was 10 years old. She was a student of Carmel Convent in Port Blair, where her father had a petrol pump. Her mother Rahila's home was in Nancowary Island. The family had gone there to celebrate Christmas.